so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself, and you come and fuck me. I feel so old.
I'm 5'8". You guys, it goes all the way down. Like, all the way down my back. Like, this wig is her. Jeff Bezos is that man, y'all. Hey for lifers, welcome back to Life as Lee. I'm Alicia, and today, y'all, I have another wig review. So this wig, y'all, is 30 inches, and it is from Amazon. Y'all know I love Amazon. Me and Amazon go together. Like, I love Amazon. Before we get into the video and I tell you guys the specs about this hair, make sure you guys follow me on all social media. Make sure you guys shop with both me and my sister's boutiques, which are linked down below. And of course, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to become a for lifer. Let's get into the video, y'all. All right, so like I said, this is a 30-inch bust down body wave wig. I'm gonna read you guys the actual description from like the store that I bought it from. So this wig is actually a 13 by 4, and it is 30 inches, 180% density. So it says body wave lace front wigs human hair 13 by 4 HD 180% density lace frontal glueless wig for women human hair pre-plucked bleach knots with baby hair Brazilian version human hair lace front wigs 30 inches. I'm gonna put it on the screen, and of course it's gonna be linked down below so you guys can see it for yourself. But yeah, so apparently the lace is HD. Y'all, the lace is not HD in my opinion. I think it's transparent, but it did melt, okay? It melted. This install is crusty and dusty because it's like 2.5 weeks old, and I'm actually about to take this wig off. So I wanted to do this review before I took it off. I've been wearing this hair for like a month, so I've installed it 2 times. And y'all, I love this wig. Like, this is honestly, I think this might be my favorite Amazon wig. And y'all know I have a whole bunch of Amazon wigs. This wig, y'all, the lace, chef's kiss. The knots were so small. You guys, please don't beat me up. I don't know why I didn't do an unboxing video. I didn't do it because I was actually rushing to install this hair because I had a flight in the morning. And now that I look back on it, I'm kind of mad that I didn't do an unboxing because, y'all, this wig bombed straight out the box, y'all. The pattern was great. The knots were so small. They bleached really well. I only had to do it once. The lace was thin. The hair had no smell. This wig was bomb. This wig is from Eroboros hair on Amazon. Y'all, this is not a sponsored video. I am not a liar. Even if it was sponsored, I'm not gonna come on here and lie to y'all. I paid for this wig with my own money. So I actually ended up paying $165 for the wigs. It was originally $149, but after tax it came up to $165. But y'all, as I'm looking on the website, 30 inches is actually $139. So if y'all ordered this wig, y'all are actually getting it a little cheaper than what I paid, which is a steal. Because this wig is from Amazon, I used my Prime shipping, and y'all, I got this wig. I ordered it on like Monday night or something, and I got it Tuesday morning. Jeff Bezos is that man, y'all. Like, because I needed this wig. I literally had a flight to catch the next day, I think, or the same day. I literally can't remember, but it got right to me, y'all. I love Amazon for that reason, and you just cannot beat $165 for a 180 density 30-inch bust down wig. Let me show you guys the hair. Y'all, I love this hair. So this is what it looks like from the front. I hope you guys can see. Right now it's a little damp. This is what it looks like. It is body wave texture. One thing I will say about this hair is it does not get super wavy like some of the other body wave wigs that I've ordered from Amazon, but it does have that, you know, body wave texture. It's just not as defined as I'm used to, but this is still like a wet and go low maintenance wig, so I don't have too much complaints, but I will say it's not as wavy as I was expecting it to be. So this is the back. I literally have just been wetting this hair every day with my hands, you guys, running my fingers through it, putting a little lot of body mousse and going about my day, y'all. This hair straight out the box, y'all, straight out the box, was silky smooth and silky soft. It still is, and this is the second time I've installed this hair and the second time I have washed this wig, y'all. This hair is so freaking soft. Oh my god, this hair is so soft. I love it so much. I get no tangles at all. The shedding, very little, which I'm really surprised, because Amazon you get what you pay for on Amazon, okay? But the shedding with this wig is not bad at all. It's really not. The description does say that it is 180% density. I think it is 180% density, like up here, like at the top of the wig. But as you move down, it kind of does thin out towards the ends, but it's not like paper thin, and it doesn't look like straggly in my opinion. So this is where the hair falls on me. This is where it falls, like right above my butt crack almost. Y'all, that's really long. Like, y'all, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Like, huh? Like, what? I'm 5'8", so I feel like this length is definitely true to length. I feel like this is a true 30 inches, but I'm gonna get my measuring tape so we could check together. Okay, so now I'm actually going to measure the hair for you guys. I'm really sad I did not do an unboxing video. Y'all have every right to beat me up, because I should have did an unboxing and did a length check then too. Okay, I'm gonna measure it from the back of the frontal, because y'all know the frontals be shorter than the actual hair. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to drag the tape measure down. Yep. I'm getting right here. Right here. So it's a little over 30 inches actually, y'all. So it's true to length. We love that. For the price, y'all, Eroboros did their big one with this wig. Like, they really did their big one. I have no complaints, and I'm definitely gonna order this wig probably in 32 inches now that I know that the price went down and I see the quality. Yeah. Okay guys, I just wanted to come and do a little quick review on this wig, because I feel like this is a steal, and this is a must-have wig in your wig collection, because it's just like too good for the price, and it's too good to pass up. And like, I just can't get over, like, this is a 30-inch bust down for $165. Like, overnight shipping, please, you cannot beat that. Again, this is not a sponsored video, you guys. I am not lying to y'all. I told you guys what I didn't like, what I love. So let me know down below if you guys have ordered this wig or if you plan on ordering it. And of course, give this video a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe to become a for lifer. Bye loves.